Okay, so this is a related rate example that uses the diagonals of a square. So typically the area of a square is equal to our side squared. So what I would do is if I drew a picture, I know that this is my side, that's my side, and my diagonal here is D. So if I wanted to figure out the area of a square with respect to a diagonal, well, I need to solve for my S here. So using the Pythagorean theorem, I know that S squared plus S squared has to be equal to D squared. So now I want to solve for my S here. So S squared plus S squared is 2S squared. So I divide by 2, and basically what I'm getting is side squared is D squared over 2. And what I can do right now is I don't have to go any further because since this is my side squared, I've got side squared up there, and I can just replace it with my area is equal to diagonal squared divided by 2. So I go ahead and take the derivative here, and I get dA dt, so my change in area with respect to time is equal to 2d over 2 times dt, or sorry, dd in this scenario, the change in the diagonal with respect to time. So the diagonals are 13 meters each, and they're increasing at a rate of 2 meters per minute. So what I'm going to do is just plug in those pieces, and dA dt is equal to 2 times my diagonals times 2, which is my dd dt. So those 2's cancel, and I get dA dt is equal to 26, and this one's going to be, since it's meters and minutes, it's going to be meters squared per minute. And notice how it's getting larger, so we should have a positive value.